Ever wondered how your food choices impact your diabetes management? You're not alone. It's a question that puzzles many. The connection between diabetes and diet is more significant than you might think. The food you consume has a direct impact on your blood sugar levels, making it a crucial element in diabetes management. What we eat, how much we eat, and when we eat all play a crucial role in determining our blood sugar levels. Consuming a balanced diet with the right mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats can help maintain these levels within a healthy range. This video aims to be your ultimate guide, shedding light on how to manage diabetes with the right food choices. We'll delve into the types of diabetes, the impact of different foods on diabetes, friendly food choices, and foods to avoid. Understanding how different foods affect your blood sugar levels is key in managing diabetes. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of food choices, let's briefly touch on the types of diabetes. There are two main types, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes, often diagnosed in childhood, is an autoimmune condition where the body's immune system attacks insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. This results in the body not being able to produce insulin, a hormone essential for regulating blood sugar levels. Those with type 1 diabetes rely on insulin injections to manage their condition. On the other hand, type 2 diabetes, typically developing in adulthood, involves the body not producing enough insulin or the body's cells not responding to insulin effectively. This is known as insulin resistance. Type 2 diabetes is often associated with lifestyle factors such as poor diet and lack of exercise. With this understanding, we can now delve into how different foods affect each type of diabetes. So, how exactly do different foods affect diabetes? Let's explore. First up, carbohydrates. Carbs are the primary culprits when it comes to blood sugar, as they break down into glucose in your body. But not all carbs are created equal. Complex carbs, like those in whole grains and legumes, are digested slower, causing a more gradual rise in blood sugar. On the other hand, simple carbs, like those in sugary drinks and white bread, can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Next, we have proteins. Proteins don't have a significant impact on blood sugar levels, as they don't break down into glucose. However, if you're on a low-carb diet, eating too much protein can cause your body to convert some of it into glucose, which could raise your blood sugar. Therefore, moderation is key. Then we have fats. While fats don't directly affect your blood sugar, they can slow down digestion and make it harder for insulin to work, leading to higher blood sugar levels over time. So it's important to choose healthier fats, like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in avocados, nuts, and fish, over saturated and trans fats found in processed foods. Fiber, a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest, can also help control blood sugar. It slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Foods rich in fiber include fruits, veggies, whole grains, and legumes. Lastly, let's not forget about portion sizes. Eating too much of any food, even healthy ones, can raise blood sugar levels. It's crucial to monitor portion sizes and eat regular balanced meals throughout the day to keep blood sugar levels stable. As you can see, different foods can have different impacts on your blood sugar levels. But remember, it's not about completely avoiding certain food groups. It's about understanding how these foods affect your body and making mindful choices. Remember, balance is key. It's not just about what you eat, but also how much and when. Now that we know how different foods affect diabetes, let's look at some diabetes-friendly food choices. When it comes to managing diabetes, the foods you choose to eat can have a significant impact on your blood sugar levels. But fear not, there's a vast array of delicious and nutritious foods that are friendly to your blood sugar. First up, we have whole grains. Foods like brown rice, quinoa, and whole grain bread or pasta are excellent choices. They're packed with fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream and prevents spikes in blood glucose. Next, let's talk about lean proteins. Think skinless chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, tofu, and low-fat dairy products. These foods are essential for repairing and building body tissues without causing blood sugar spikes. Now, onto the world of fruits and vegetables. These are your best friends in the fight against diabetes. They're low in calories, high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Berries, cherries, peaches, apricots, apples, oranges, pears, and kiwi are all excellent fruit choices. For vegetables, go for the non-starchy ones like spinach, broccoli, bell peppers, zucchini, tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, olives, and fish like salmon and mackerel, can also be beneficial. They can help keep your blood sugar levels stable and are essential for overall health. And let's not forget about legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas. They offer a great source of protein and fiber, helping to control blood sugar. Remember, variety is key. Try to incorporate these foods into your meals in different creative ways. And while we're on the topic, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. We're here to help you navigate your health journey, and we've got plenty more to share. These food choices can help control your blood sugar levels, but don't forget to pair them with regular exercise. Your body and your health are worth the effort, so let's make those positive changes together. While there are many foods that can help manage diabetes, there are also those that should be avoided. Let's start with sugary drinks. These are the ultimate culprits when it comes to spiking blood sugar levels. Whether it's a can of soda or a glass of fruit juice, these drinks are often loaded with sugar and devoid of nutritional value. They can cause blood sugar levels to skyrocket and contribute to weight gain, a risk factor for worsening diabetes. Next in line are processed foods. These are often high in unhealthy fats, refined grains, and added sugars. Examples include processed meats like hot dogs and bacon, as well as packaged snacks and desserts. Not only can these foods spike blood sugar levels, but they can also increase the risk of other health conditions like heart disease. Another category to steer clear of is refined carbohydrates. This includes white bread, pasta, and rice. These foods are stripped of their fiber and nutrients during processing. As a result, they're quickly digested and absorbed into the bloodstream, leading to rapid increases in blood sugar levels. Foods high in saturated and trans fats should also be on your avoid list. These include high-fat dairy products and fatty cuts of meat. They can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease, a common complication of diabetes. Lastly, let's not forget about high-sodium foods. Excessive sodium intake can lead to high blood pressure, another common issue for people with diabetes. So, it's best to limit foods like canned soups, fast food, and salty snacks. In short, foods that are high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and sodium, along with those that are heavily processed or low in nutrients, should be limited or avoided. Instead, focus on whole foods that are low in sugar and high in fiber and nutrients. Remember, every person is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian to create a diet plan that suits your specific needs and goals. Avoiding these foods can significantly improve your diabetes management. Let's recap the key points about diabetes management and food choices. We've covered a lot of ground today, but the crucial takeaway is the intricate relationship between what we eat and how it impacts our blood sugar levels. The foods we consume can either support our body in managing diabetes or exacerbate the condition. We've delved into the different types of diabetes, each with its unique implications and dietary considerations. Type 1, Type 2, and gestational diabetes all require a careful balance of the right foods to effectively manage blood sugar levels. The impact of different foods on diabetes is a significant part of this discussion. Remember, foods with a high glycemic index can cause a quick spike in blood sugar levels, while those with a low glycemic index cause a slower, more steady rise in blood sugar. We've also highlighted some diabetes-friendly food choices. Foods rich in fiber, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates are all excellent options. They not only nourish your body, but also help keep blood sugar levels stable. And let's not forget the foods to avoid. Sugary drinks, processed foods, and those high in unhealthy fats can wreak havoc on your blood sugar control. It's about making smart choices and being mindful of what goes on your plate. While we've provided some general guidelines, it's essential to remember that everyone's body responds differently to different foods. Therefore, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice and to regularly monitor your blood sugar levels to understand how different foods affect you personally. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We'll continue to provide more informative content on diabetes management and healthy living. Remember, managing diabetes is a journey, and making smart food choices is a big step in the right direction.